Good morning, guys. I am back with another video. I am going to show you what I eat in a day. So I have never done this video. Actually, I have. I tried so many times. I have tried so many attempts, but I have never made the perfect video of what I eat in a day or what I eat in a week. Making what I eat in a week with videos are kind of horror because I never get them done. So I'm up. I've been up since 8 a.m. I also have been actually I have been up since 6 a.m. Sorry for the background noise. I have birds awake right now. They seem to talk when I talk. Update on the flowers. These are so pretty. And look at the baby breaths. I'm going to make Thai iced tea. So I bought like 25 pounds of Thai tea. I'm excited to show you what I eat in a day. In the kitchen, I am going to make pancakes. So I have my pan here. Oop. So I'm using a blender, oatmeal. Half a cup of flour. And some baking powder. And we're good. Let's try to blend this. This recently because he's obsessed with this stuff. So I'm going to use this as well. This one is a mistake. It smells so good. I have my pancakes. I made a lot of bacon. And this is mine. For syrup, I'm gonna use either this or this. Probably this because the syrup looks good in pictures. And this is the natural one. We don't use Aunt Jemima here. Don't hate on me, but I like to eat it with maple syrup. Try it. You might like it. I'm going to clean this up, so see you at lunch. At the gym. Doing the treadmill. I'm so sleepy. I don't feel like going too fast. Not bad. Not bad. 35 minutes later. Oh God, I am drenched. Can't wait to go home and wash up and take a shower. I am sweating. My face has gotten more red. So it's currently 5 o'clock and I know what you're thinking. It's lunch, but it's so late. I had to go to the gym, then I had to run an errand. So I'm here now. Then I had to go to the supermarket, which I didn't get to record, to buy one more thing for my lunch. Tired. My legs are hurting. I got ready before I did my errands, so that's why I'm all glammed up. Let me show you what I'm making today. I am going to make at-home chipotle. It's not authentic, obviously. Neither is chipotle, but... So I have my cilantro, lemon, and rice. Then I have banana peppers and jalapenos. And then I have my tortillas and my refined beans. I know they use natural beans, but like unblended beans, but I like my beans really mashed up. And guac, spicy guac. And I got my chipotle sauce and my ranch. And I got my grilled chicken. I have made 6 burritos, so this is for lunch today. Chipotle burritos. I'm going to eat the burrito I just made. I gave the rest to my family. And I don't know if I'm gonna make dinner, but we shall see. Does anyone do this to their strawberry? So I am going to meal prep for my dinner. So I'm going to the supermarket to buy all that stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna make, but I will make it. Oh. Wow. These are hella expensive. I don't even know what to get. I'm just here. So I'm thinking I might make a poke bowl because I'm pretty sure my sister is obsessed with them. So I'm getting a masago. It's not saying it's masago, so I'm not even sure if there's any difference. I'm gonna get this. Oh my god. Look at this. I'm gonna get this. I'm looking at the ingredients first. My parents are letting me buy these stuff, so don't judge me. Okay, so I'm going to do the dumpling wrappers because they are on sale. Okay, I have to get these. I'm gonna air fry these. So I just finished grocery shopping. I bought enough for tomorrow's dinner. My sister and my mom requested sushi, so I got that for tonight. So if you're watching this, I meal prepped the day before. I know what you see on the kitchen is the present. Can't wait to go home. So I got flowers. They were $5. And I was just like, you know what? I have to get these. There's literally no excuse why a guy shouldn't give girls flowers. These are literally $5 and it's in New York City. So what is your excuse? Like, if he wanted to, he will. I am at another supermarket. I am going to get this because I got this from my sister last time and it was so good. Let me get 2. So I came here mostly for my mom because she always wants this damn bread. I don't know what is it, but I do not like this bread, but she drinks it with her jaw. Surprisingly, it's so popular that there's only one left. I don't even get why is it so good. I'm gonna get pineapple for the poke bowl, but I can't find a canned pineapple. I am definitely getting these. I eat this all the time. I'm gonna get this for my sister. I am deciding to make cake pops Monday, so I'm gonna need food coloring. I'm gonna check the ingredients. What are the ingredients? Okay, we're good. And I'm going to get this. I am going to make a poke bowl. I already have my stuff ready. Actually, I don't. I'm making my sushi rice, and I am grilling shrimp because my mom does not like raw seafood, so I have to cook something. So I have made a poke bowl. I mean, not really yet. So I have my salmon, my tuna, and my other seafood, my guac, dried onions, masago, seaweed, and rice, and my dried seaweed. So I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, these are my poke bowls. I'm gonna give this to my mom and my sister. I'm not hungry that much, so they will have it. But I'll eat this later for sure. This is my bowl. I couldn't find any bowl, so I just used this. But I went heavy on the dry seaweed. Okay, I am so tired of cooking all day. I suggest doing takeout if I were you. But yeah, I am so tired. I'm going to bed. I have class tomorrow, so I never rest. Good night. See you in my next video.